Hi, I'm Tracy Edwards, CEO of the National Exchange Club. Parker Basketball Jones just performed at our National Leadership Conference for leaders from across the country in Puerto Rico, and he did an awe-inspiring performance. We were all just blown away, a little bit touched, and really overwhelmed. It was fantastic, entertaining, beautiful, and touching. We love the stories. We love your talent. Thank you for sharing that with us today.
It was very inspirational and very fun. It kept my attention the whole time.
We are representing Mentor Cares, stands for Cardinal Autism Resource and Education School. This is Tia and I'm John, and we're here to say what a great job Basketball Jones did today for our kids.
Awesome job, loved it, interactive, the kids really enjoyed it, and he did a really great job.
Especially understanding our population, where every student here today has autism and a high level of autism. He really understood their needs and really reached out to them. It was great.
What's up, everybody? My name is Seth Lucas. I'm a program director at the North Sherman Boys and Girls Club of Toledo. And we just had a great showing. My man showed out, he balled out. Great speeches to the kids, great motivation for the summer to continue learning, continue reading, and just continue to get better. So with that being said, I thought the show was great. I wouldn't mind having them back next summer or this year, and anybody looking for somebody to come teach the kids something, come motivate the kids, and teach them that they can do whatever they want, essentially, and with practice and hard work they can get there. This is the show you want, especially if you love basketball and sports and just any kid, so it was great.